Come test drive the 2008 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.